Ohm's law. In this Ohm's law, and our lesson name is electricity lesson. Here Ohm's law defined as the current flowing through a conductor is the potential difference between the two ends is directly proportional to I. So if you remove the proportionality constant, V is equal to IR. This is the formula. This is called as the Ohm's law. So here if we define the terminology, V is the potential difference. I is current. R is resistance. The definition is the potential difference defined as the differentiation between the two ends. Suppose if you take A and B, two tanks, A is upper part, B is lower part. The water flowing from A upper part to lower part, the difference between the difference between the two ends is called as the potential difference. Like that, the electricity also flows from the higher potential end to the lower potential end, and current potential difference units are volts. It is measured in volts. Current is defined as the electrons. Suppose if you take the conducting wire from A to B, the electrons are flowing through a conductor. This conductor is called as the current. This is the free flow of electrons flowing through a conducting wire is called as the current. Current is denoted by the symbol or ampere. Ampere are the units. And resistance. This is the here the electrons is charged particles moving from one place to another place. These electrons flowing from in a conducting wire. We suppose if you place the resistance symbol like this, if opposes the flow of electrons, opposite to the current is opposite to the flow of electrons is called as the resistance. Resistance is the ohms. Resistance units are called as ohms. So this is the Ohm's law. And resistors connected in series. Resistance connected in series. Here our formula is V is equal to IR1 equation. V1 is equal to, ikkada high current is constant. In series current is constant. V1 is equal to IR1 one equation. V2 is equal to IR2 second equation. V3 is equal to IR3 third equation. So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Substitute all these values 1 and 2 and 3 here one equation. Substitute all these values in this. V is equal to IR1 I common IR plus IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Current is constant. Ikkada current constant. Here current constant. You take the remove. I is the current remove out, taken out. R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I is equal to I cancellation. R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Diagram is all this connected into a ammeter, and this is the plus minus battery.